First impression itself, I satisfied. Whatever the features is available, the Audi Q7, the same is available with your MG Gloster. என்னோட ஏரியாவில் என்னோட வண்டி ஃபஸ்ட் வண்டியாக இருக்கணும்னு சொன்னேன். ஸோ நோபடி வில் சே லைக் தட். ஸோ எஃப்இஎல் ட்ரீட்டட். You will not believe me, I called 10 o'clock night.
Yes, I said sorry.
Hi, myself N.M. Lakshmi Narayanan. I am a MG customer, my glad customer. Basically, not tall, no height. So, I first prefer height vehicle. So, I have, this is my fifth vehicle in my home. So, I have a Fortuner, I have a Scorpio, so I have XUV. This is under MG Hector as well. So, this is my fifth vehicle. So, basically, I prefer a height vehicle. We are a joint family. We are 5 brothers. So, I am elder one, so I have 4 younger me. That's why we have 5 vehicles. I never keep driver. I won't like having a driver vehicle. So myself only drive. If I come from my native place from Madurai, I have to travel 80 kilometers. So Rajabalai. From there I will come also. I never keep driver. I will come alone. I booked a Hector Plus only. I booked a Hector Plus. I given a token advance as well. So 50,000 rupees immediately. The day when I am taking delivery, I given 50,000 booking for Hector Plus. But in meanwhile, I got a call from the salesman. So he told me, sir, there's one more vehicle going to come, it's a big one. So I think it's MG Gloster. But date is not confirmed. I said, then you cancel that this one. You take advance for this Gloster. Let it come. First impression itself, I satisfied. The main reason behind is the space and the height of vehicle. Whatever the features is available, the Audi Q7, the same is available with your MG Gloster. One is the blind spot identification. So when you go that any vehicle closely come, then you will get an indication in the mirror, which I like very much. And the second thing is auto parking. And third feature which I like, with the internet inside, you can switch on the AC from inside. This is available in MG Hector also. But even though this feature is not available in other cars. The first when I visited that MG showroom, that done what they are treated and they welcome. And they asked me to, have a seat and they have a cup of coffee. Then after that only they took to show the vehicle. And before I'm going, I go with a lot of reviews. So I gone through with the reviews of Hector and other vehicles as well. I always see the sentiment. So who was a salesperson, he belongs to my village. So that is the one reason. Second is whenever we call that response we get immediately. So when I asking the delivery schedule, so whatever the schedule they are given, before that they deliver. See, even though we have a dealership at Madurai, so why I prefer to say FEL is that because they have the immediately before the vehicle is launching, that vehicle was there at the showroom, and that whoever working the India staff, so they they are given attention for everything, and the service point of view, if you ask me, that additional fittings, whichever extra fittings. So all that FEL people, they know, even I know only one person from sales, but in service point of view, I don't know anybody. But they immediately they referred, and I also got a call from them. Immediately within, I think, not even an hour, I got a call from them. They sent all the process. Whichever is not required for me, they told us, why you want this? So no need of it. So you go with that. So nobody will say like that. So FEL treat that. Actually, நான் FEL சொல்லும்போது நான் சொன்னேன், என்னோட ஏரியாவில் என்னோட வண்டி ஃபஸ்ட் வண்டியாக இருக்கணும்னு சொன்னேன். But before I get, there are 2 people bought that vehicle, but it's not from my city. They are from Tuticorin. The day I took a delivery, the same day I drive to native place. So while going to, we'll park the vehicle at a hotel, and everybody came and asked, sir, what is this vehicle? So they told me, sir, how much is costing, and looks is good, and height is very, like that. And one interesting point is I went, whenever I go, I used to have a breakfast or lunch at Thirumangalam, near Madurai, out of Madurai. There one hotel, Harish, is there. When I entered the vehicle, there is a big hotel, there is a lot of crowd will be there. So one person came and asked me, sir, whether this is an electrical vehicle. I said, no, this is a diesel vehicle, but no sound. Really, this is true also. MG Gloster having a 2000 cc, so I am not getting that much noise in that vehicle inside. That is one thing which, யாருக்குமே இருக்கும் இல்லையா. ஸோ வென் இங்கே போகும்போது பீப்புள் அட்டென்ஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்போது யூ வில் ஃபீல் வெரி ஹாப்பி. ஸோ தட் ஹாப்பி ஐ காட், தட் ஃபீல் ஐ காட். Interior, yes, it really is excellent actually. Really is great actually. நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, எல்லா வெஹிக்கிளுமே நான் வச்சிருக்கிற வெஹிக்கிள் எல்லாமே டாப் எண்ட் தான். ஸோ எல்லாமே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆல் வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ் ஆர் ஹேவிங் த சேம் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் ஹை-ஃபை இன்டீரியர்ஸ் only. But when you compare with the other vehicle, this is better. And that finishing which they are given, that leather finishing, it's really fantastic. When I bought this vehicle, the same day I was driving that vehicle to my native place. I enjoyed actually. The reason behind is 2-3 reasons. Okay, one is that the cruise control, which that feature they are given. So it's very very compact actually. என்ன சொல்கிறது, ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக இருந்தது ஆக்சுவலாக. Even though I have a Fortuner, பட் இதை பார்க்கும்போது very close ஆகும்போது automatically apply the brake, and once cruise நீங்கள் செட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா again you have to apply the accelerator in other vehicles. Here is not like that. So once you come out from the land, if the vehicle is feel that the road is free, again it will pick up. So that I didn't get tired. Even they are in the driver seat, they are giving the massage kind of things. So whenever you open the vehicle, automatically seat will go back. So whoever open, that seat will go back. And once you sit that vehicle, and that seat will automatically adjust to as per your comfort. So you don't want to adjust every time. So since I come to Chennai, I took to FEL only. So I called one person. Even I didn't book that appointment and all. I called on, you will not believe me, I called 10 o'clock night. So immediately he picked me. He told me he is on leave that day. So you bring the vehicle on Saturday. I said Saturday I am not there. Saturday I have to go back to native place. And it means, sir, you send the vehicle, I will inform the person, you send the vehicle, otherwise you go, I will ensure that your vehicle will be delivered. So I didn't book any appointment, I didn't anything. So I take the vehicle. So when I entered itself, the person came to me. And so, sir called me, I give the vehicle. So they told me oil is good only. If you want me to change, I will change, otherwise his oil is good. So that kind of super, if you go to other service, they will change oil, even though if it's good, because there is a revenue for them, no? So they are given the vehicle in the morning around 10 o'clock. We are given back into, I think, 3 o'clock they are given. And the service which they did is excellent actually. So apart from these other 3 features, I love other 3 more features also. One is your 360-degree camera. This whenever you start that vehicle, that it will give you 360-degree where you can check side, left, right, and all, where any parking is there. That even blind spot you can able to identify with the 360 camera. Second, it was a sunroof.
I'm here.
Open sunroof. This is a very big, even 2-3 people can also stand. இப்போ குழந்தைங்க வந்து இது பண்ணால் நான் பண்ணுறேன் நீ கிடைக்கிறேன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. பட் அந்த 3 குழந்தைங்கன்னா கூட அவங்களுக்கு சண்டை வரதில்லை. That way I was very happy. When I was taken a vehicle, our salesperson also didn't say that one feature which I put MG I support or some one option is there. If I press, I get a call from them. So while I am driving, my hand was touched there. So but I'm not aware of it. I got a call. Then from customer care, sir, good morning. So I thought it is a welcome call. Then they told me, no sir, you are touching this. I said, sorry. Then they told me, sir, you will, if any problem comes or any emergency, you can support, you can call. Within, I think, 2-3 seconds, I got a call. That is really a needed one in India. Definitely I will recommend. It's not like that, you should recommend. There is no, I'm not finding any negative on this vehicle so far.
Goodbye.